And then, okay, you can put 50 panels or 80 panels and all that. The one in Ealing we have done recently, it's a small townhouse. It only took like a 28 panels. Right, it's only 12 rooms.
Right.
And right now, after 6 months, we back in the day, my bills are like a 68%.
Wow.
Yeah, so it makes a huge difference.
Yeah.
Plus, you get the initial investment back within around 4.5 years.
And then from there, you're...
So these panels, it's like 500 watt panels.
Oh yeah.
The life expectancy of these panels is 25 years.
Yeah.
So once you recoup your initial investment and all that in, then is your strategy savings. It's a great thing because if you look at the last 5.5, 6 years, electricity pricing, I don't know what So it's a no-brainer investment for the care homes. And care homes is a lot of electrical you have elderly living in there. Things like constant on.
It's 24 hours. There's no darkness like residential.
No, exactly. Because you have a usage throughout the day, right? As people are, you said 40 bedroom, right? 40.
Yeah.
Yeah. So definitely you won't be paying 20,000, 30,000 a year.